What's going on, guys? I'm Wade Ryan. This is the world's largest toilet, and today we got coffee. I don't drink coffee. Do you drink coffee?
No.
Maxwell House, is that even good?
Maybe. It was on sale.
Oh no. Oh!
Ew. Oh, it's so strong.
So strong.
I'm pretty sure that's not even the strong kind either. You guys want to see me dump it on Ryan?
No, that's not happening. Okay, ready? Whoa. Oh.
You're gonna get in that?
There's a lot more than I thought we needed. Okay, well, I don't really need to pour that one.
Do it. Pour it on yourself. I'll pour it on you.
It's so strong. Only like Starbucks. Oh, you think I'll get a caffeine high if I get in it?
Drink it.
Guys, I forgot my coffee mug. I'm sorry.
Get in.
Oh, this can't be healthy.
It's probably good for your skin, actually. I think some people do like coffee things.
Oh.
You're like disappearing in the coffee.
Oh, this is nasty. Oh. Oh, I hate coffee.
You should go in all the way up to your neck because you literally can't see any part of your body. So it'll just be your head floating. That'll be funny.
Yeah, that's cool. Actually. Is it white? Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no, your shirt's gonna be stained.
Oh no. I'm flushing this. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's so gross.
It smells so strong.
Oh my God.
Oxy.
Oh.
Do you wanna film it?
Whoa. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Please sure to like and subscribe. This is pretty nasty. Check out my other channel. You can see it in there right there. There'll be a link below, and we'll see you next time. Peace.